Summer, it's a magical time for beach lounging and sun soaking. Unless you arrive in June. June is infamous in San Diego for June gloom, which is often preceded by May gray. It's a well-known phenomenon among locals, but visitors are often taken by surprise when they arrive in San Diego in late spring or early summer and are greeted by gray skies. The good news is that even during this time in May and June the weather is usually pretty warm, so pack the requisite shorts, tank tops, t-shirts, flip-flops, and swimsuits. You also may want to stick in a lightweight wetsuit or rashguard since the ocean water doesn't substantially warm up until July. Once the warmer currents rush in and the water heats up, that's when the summer fun really begins in San Diego. If you're coming anytime between July and September, pack extra swimsuits because you'll likely be wanting to spend a lot of time at the beach. Bring swimsuit covers you'd be comfortable wearing in public, too, as you may want to take a quick break from the beach to dip into one of the many oceanfront bars or restaurants for a refreshing drink or appetizer, like the famous San Diego fish taco. Things to pack for San Diego in the summer should also include 1. A sturdy sun hat. It can be windy on the beach, so you want something that will stay on your head. 2. Waterproof sunscreen. The waterproof part is important if you are planning on swimming in the water at all. Remember to reapply after exiting the water, too. Sunscreen chapstick is also good to stick in your bag. 3. Jacket/sweater. Once the sun goes down, you'll be surprised how fast the temperature drops. The coastal breezes mean cool nights, and you'll want something warm to shrug into if you're prone to getting cold. Think fall weather like you'd typically find in places with 4 seasons. 4. Comfortable walking shoes. You don't want to spend all your time at the beach. San Diego has a gorgeous waterfront harbor, city park, Balboa, and thriving downtown area, Gas Lamp Quarter. Hit the pavement and start exploring.